You've watched 100 self-help videos, you felt motivated for a day, then you collapsed. Again. Why? Because no one ever told you the truth. Change isn't a pep talk. It's war. And if you skip a single day, I want you to do one thing. Close this video, you're already dead. But if you're still watching, welcome to the eraser. This isn't detox, this is execution. Instagram, gone. TikTok, gone. Netflix, YouTube Shorts, sugar, soda, junk food, purge them. You don't keep poison for cheat day, you burn it. Go to your mirror, write these words. Comfort is the enemy. Who do I become if I don't quit? Daily protocol. Wake at 5 a.m. Cold shower. No phone till sunrise. Walk 10 minutes in silence. Bed by 10. By day 3 your brain will scream. Let it. That's the sound of weakness dying. Now that you're empty, we rebuild. Cold showers, no countdown, just step in and take it. Gym, no selfies, no music, no validation, just raw grind. At 8:00 p.m., grab a pen, what I avoided today. What I conquered. What I will destroy tomorrow. This isn't fitness, this is a mind cleanse. Day 14, your face tightens. Your posture changes, but more importantly, your excuses are silent. You've rebuilt. Now we kill the noise. No podcasts, no background music. Just you and the voice. Say the truth you've been hiding. Apologize. Confess. Leap. Most will quit here. Because for the first time, they're forced to meet themselves. Let the silence break you. Let it burn away the imposter. You've come too far to quit. Now we go beyond. 48-hour dopamine fast. No screens, no sounds, just water. Walks. Journaling. And your demons lift harder. Read deeper. Write darker. At night whisper, the old me would have quit. I'm not him anymore. I killed him. Don't look in the mirror. Don't post your progress. Sit. Breathe. Ask yourself, what's left to burn? Change isn't about motivation, it's about murder. Kill your habits. Kill your lies. Kill the version of you that begged to stay average. If you're still watching, you're not average anymore. Don't share this. Don't tag your friends. If they needed it, they'd be here. Comment, day 0, if you're ready to disappear and return unrecognizable. And if you're brave enough, subscribe, because the next video might just end who you are. Fade to black. Whispered echo, who's next?